Not only did I want to throw in the towel on my weight loss journey, but I wanted to throw in the towel on my YouTube channel.
Baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud nine.
Hey guys, it's Heather and welcome back to my channel. Alright, so we've got a weigh-in today. If you watched my last weigh-in, you know that unfortunately my last weigh-in fell on day 1 of Shark Week. So I only lost 0.2 pounds, but the fact that I did lose 0.2 pounds made me think I bet I'll get into the 170s next week. So did I get into the 170s? We'll find out in today's video. If you prefer to skip around and you don't have much time, I will leave timestamps for everything down below, but I do have some important things to talk about first before I get into the weigh-in. So one goal I have is to hit 48 ounces of water every day. You guys, I actually did it this week. I hit the goal every single day. That's awesome. You know that I've struggled with that the last few months, so getting back on track with water is really great. I'm hoping to keep this going for a few more weeks, and then I'll hopefully increase that amount to 56 ounces a day. And other than that, the week started out so. I was feeling really low energy. Monday I was supposed to work out, but I really wasn't into it, probably because I had my period. So I did take a rest day there, and Wednesday I also didn't work out because I just wasn't feeling it. I actually didn't want to on Tuesday, but I forced myself to, and I did work out, but I wasn't all there, if you know what I mean. So I did work out though. I got back on track middle of the week, and I'm feeling great actually. I worked out 4 days this week, including today. As far as my rings, I still am having a problem with that, and it's the stand goal still. So Monday and Wednesday, I didn't hit any of my rings actually because I didn't work out. I didn't hit my stand goal for most days, but I am doing a lot better now. Thursday and Friday, I did close all 3 rings, so that's great. I was a lot more cognizant and kept it at the forefront of my mind to make sure that I check my ring status and make sure that I am getting up every hour, and it seemed to work. So I think I've gotten into the groove of that, so hopefully going forward it'll go a little better. So another thing I kind of wanted to talk about today was, I mentioned that my week was so-so in the beginning of the week, and kind of midweek I was starting to really feel down on myself. I went down the rabbit hole of my own channel and watched some of my old videos right before I started doing the Tone It Up challenge, and I saw where I was and I was like, I've gotten nowhere. Here we are in August, and I'm still 181.8 from back in March, April. It really hit me like I have not gotten very far at all. I started to just spiral. I started to feel sorry for myself. Not only did I want to throw in the towel on my weight loss journey, but I wanted to throw in the towel on my YouTube channel. I think at that point I was at like 44 subscribers, and I had lost 2 for some reason, and I was pissed. I was like,
that's it. I'm done.
All this work I'm putting into my videos and I'm not getting crap for it. All this work I'm putting into my weight loss journey, and I'm still where I was a few months ago.
What's the point?
so yeah, I was feeling sorry for myself, and I let myself feel sorry for myself for a day. I started to kind of look on Instagram and look on other YouTube videos for some inspiration and motivation, and I just kind of realized that, you know what, Heather, you need to stop comparing yourself to whoever you're comparing yourself to, and you really need to just focus on yourself. Yeah, that just kind of hit me hard. I thought, this is the point in my journey where it really matters what I decide to do. Am I going to decide to quit again like I have so many other times? Or am I going to keep going and see a different result this time? I feel it in me that this time is it. This time is different, and I'm going to keep going, and I'm not going to give up. And it's at these points that are very, very critical. When we're feeling so sorry for ourselves, we just want to throw in the towel and not keep going because we feel like we've worked so freaking hard, and then to see where in the entire journey we are and we have so much more to go. You guys, it is so frustrating to think about because, like I said, you feel like you've worked so hard to only get minuscule results, but you also have to think it's not minuscule results. Losing 20 pounds is not minuscule, and it's August, and I started like really working hard on this journey back in January. The fact that I'm still going when in the past I would have given up in like 2 or 3 months. I was at this place and I was feeling sorry for myself and I just gave up. I have to remember that. Even though I might not seem like I'm very far along as far as numbers go and as far as appearances go, my mind is slowly but surely getting there, and then I think everything is just gonna fall into place. And the same thing with the YouTube channel. I mean, I work
Hours and hours.
on my videos, and it sucks when I see videos tank. Like my workout video that I did a couple weeks ago, it completely tanked. I was really happy with what I did with it, but it didn't do so well. But I'm also not going to just stop what I'm doing because I actually do like it. I do love editing videos, and I like the accountability that this gives me. I may not be blowing up like Beatrice Caruso or April Lauren as much as I really want to, but I also feel like if I did, I probably wouldn't take it as good as they are taking it. I'd probably be very scared to fail. So it's probably a blessing in disguise that my channel is just not growing very fast or steadily. It is giving me accountability. It's giving me something to do, and that's a huge thing because when I'm bored, like I mentioned in my Why I'm Fat video, I tend to eat. We should always be doing things we love, even if that work that we do isn't always as appreciated as we want it to be, and that kind of goes with weight loss. We should continue on the journey because it's all about the health. Even if people aren't noticing and they aren't seeing how hard you're working, you know how hard you're working, and you know what's going on up here, and you know how far you've come, and slowly but surely you'll get there. Enough of my rambling for today. Let's get back to my check-in and the part of the video that you're probably all waiting for. It's my weigh-in. So did I get into the 170s? Let's find out. You guys, I got to 179.6. You don't know how happy that made me. I'm so happy. Oh, I was so scared that I wouldn't get back into the 170s because, like I said, earlier this week was just really hard. I was afraid that I was just gonna give up, like I said, and I just kept going, and I'm really proud of myself that I'm back in the 170s. Whoa, I didn't know I would cry. Sorry. So yeah, I lost 2.2 pounds and I'm back to 179.6. If you've watched previous videos, you know that I have milestones where I reward myself. Since I've already got into the 170s, I did already reward myself with workout shoes back when I hit that milestone. My next milestone is an air fryer once I hit 175. So that's my goal this month, to get down to 175 by the end of the month. I've got 2 weeks. I want one so bad. I want to make French fries in it. Gall darn it. So yeah, I'm really happy with this week's results. My feeling sorry for myself and feeling down in the dumps and pushing past it really proved to me that I am in it for the long haul this time, and I'm gonna do it this time. And I am more than happy about it, and I'm excited to continue on this journey with you guys. That's all for today, and if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. And with that, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Baby,